Hello, it's Steve and Tara again from melbournealarms.com with another no frills video. This time we're going to demonstrate the excellent Bosch 6000 app. It's called I-Fob Control. I'm going to open that now. I've got two sites here. If you've got lots of sites, they'll all be listed there. I happen to have two. We're going to use this Melbourne Alarms one here. I hit connect. I've connected to the app. Look how quick that is. It shows me that I've got my home, which is a completely separate system to my workshop. Same panel, but I can have up to 8 different areas in here. I'm going to arm the system. I've armed the system, look at that. There it is. If you heard the lady said area armed, you get that audio confirmation that you've armed the system and a notification has come up. I'm going to shut the app down. You'll see on the keypad now that the system is armed. This is my little switch on the front door. I've opened the front door. Entry delay starts. There's an alarm, so the sirens would be ringing. I'm just going to turn that off so we don't hear that for the rest of the thing. Now, that's the app that's chirping now to say, hey, we've had an alarm on the system. I can open the system. There's my notification. It says I've had an alarm on the front door. I can swipe up and open that if I go into the app again.
Area in alarm.
The lady's just told us the area's in alarm, so you get this excellent voice confirmation of everything that's going on. I've got a flashing icon here that tells me that we've got an alarm. The system's armed. I can disarm the system now.
Area disarmed.
We disarmed it. It's very quick. So now we've just stopped the sirens. There's a notifications coming through now to say that I've turned the alarm off, and there's a council report from the alarm. Everything that the system does comes up as a notification. I'm going to go into this drop-down menu now. This first one will display all the zones in the system. Unlike other apps, we can actually have a custom name for all our zones, which makes history very, very easy. So front door, hall, living room tells us all the, because you can have lots of zones on this panel. That's a handy feature. I can go on to outputs. I don't have any connected, but I can have an output board. Then I can then control sprinklers, open the garage door, doors. We won't be using that. Troubles if there's a problem in the system. And on this test rig, I think we've got the battery probably not connected. Takes a minute just to find it. Yeah, battery missing. Okay, so any problems in the system, siren fault, anything will be displayed in there. Here's the history. This is fantastic. So it's working backwards. Last event that occurred was here. So I disarmed by I-Fob, which is the name of the app. I disarmed my home. Remember we had the home and the workshop on smart device 1, which is this phone. So look, front door, all the any zone that occurred will be displayed in the history. Messages, lots of stuff on here, but look, one of the main features is that it's fast, really fast. We get audio confirmation, so when we arm the system, the lady's voice says we've armed it. Same when we disarm it, same if an alarm occurs. We can control outputs from that home screen, and the outputs just sit in here. We can label that garage door or sprinkler. It's pretty, look at that. It is a pretty app. And we can add zone names, which is a very useful feature. Okay, that's just a quick overview. Hope that makes sense. I should just tell you, I only told you the good bits. Here's the bad bit. That comes at a cost. All that prettiness and functionality is $10 a month. Now, seems like a lot, but for a lot of people, it's popular. I like it. I think it's worth $10 a month. But you need to decide for yourself whether you think it is. We've got another video coming up shortly with the Risco panel, so stay tuned for that. Thank you.